Ti Bawumia go for so the Atasa the aba. Atasa Atasa FM. Almost 2008 saa kwa we no nam ha ya. Why no say ono okoka wa ha no ambeka wa ha ono na share chirema we nyina eba out. You see in 2000 Atasa General Radio so ka say JJ Rollins na yire ne mayankoku omo nhye omo Atasa and the president di. 2012 adia krede Agyapong Atasa etna eye radio so kan wo Ghana enkranfo ene awonafo ya nhye omo nku omo okano on national radio.
My Jimmy MPP for Jimmy, me who be stupid people. I don't know why I belong to that political party. My Jimmy MPP for Jimmy.
Inti Atasa Kennedy, alternative so as a pathway. Ye Jimmy for on Tia Simple so join the pathway. So ye Jimmy for ye Nkwasia for Jimmy. He does not even understand why he's part of this party. And there as a pathway, the president in me. Me say, give me Bawumia and let me give Ghana your victory for 42 years. Give me Bawumia. I need Mahamudu. Me say, I need Mahamudu. And I'll give you independence for 42 years. Me echo. The NPP is a tribal party. This political party, irrespective of who represents them. The party is a demonic party. Omuya wudifu akromfo.
Abusia and some possible MPP party no manche bia and honorable Kennedy Agyapong camp ever drop the 10 cents of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Asan Beton Montez said Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia camp so about drop the 10 cents of honorable Kennedy Agyapong. I'm a Kevin Taylor ever reacted to this issue. Message say nene dey dikan a ofie adwumadi. I will subscribe to your channel. No me abel. Said be ya dey upload bia to mo on the first person and one sa ebetumi aka. Abusia enche bia na honorable Kennedy Agyapong camp e dey bombshell kese pa betu dwa efa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ho a mo friend the 10 cents of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Asan ba Beton Montez said Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so camp and so I listed the 10 cents of honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Na insem Beton Montez so no na Kevin Taylor atena so enso de nsem atudwa me pese wo ka me ho na ekotie ensem ne ba
almost a bonnet Kennedy Agyapong so edi 10 cents of Kennedy Agyapong we nyina yetia me ka chenkofo say munya abotrema nkofo we omu yempro when the inner monkey is giving red we will see everything inti almost Atasa almost Atasa so dangerous Atasa Kasongo Atasa. And I'm saying, Atasa and call for so to us. I'm saying, now Atasa not to know papa. Atasa Nankasa Atasa no, or no Atasa no Namhono, or no Oya Papa no Namho, and about me uncle for some more religious Atasa so dear. A beko go there can go con entire 6 balls in Torrencia. Missy Besino. Why in Torrencia, the 6 balls? Ye behu de besi. Almost Atasa so ni minya bema you almost say 2008 January Atasa Kotina Radio say Yanku Rollins na yire no munyina yen show mase Atasa every video boy Jimmy too hey go away ready to go for Tiba me go for so the Atasa the aba Atasa FM almost 2008 saa kwa we no nam ha ya why no say ono okoka wa ha no ambeka wa ha ono na share chirema we nyina eba out you see in 2000 Atasa General Radio so ka say JJ Rollins na yire ne mayankoku omo nhye omo Atasa and the president di MPP for say ye rem fees ansem we you nipa say Atasa ye tumi mane be di president December 2008 January no end December pepepe I recruited thugs in 2008 general election. And I was Sabatina Radio, so I say, me a woody for, and I'm a recruiter on me far a woody for, and I'm a more about the stabby election 2008 election. You say Otina Radio, so pair a year or mankasa a fly on the Babontin or say he recruited thugs a woody for a to trap for Atasa and I'm with the Mediagro. Mokasanya wa dinse ninja or Shenfifi. Okutasika we are so roko denim Atasa Atasa by 2012 or say he declared war on guns and evers in the Ashanti region. Sa audio ni about them and the right time come ebebo. Otena radio so Ashanti be mu ka say, "Ochia wunani atwaniti." Hey, atasa. O say ochi nkrani a kuno bono kuno twaniti because omo nka Ghana ho. Otena Kumasi no kan asem no radio so. Audio wo ho aye de bia ebo e archives nim. Atasa. And atasa so nam touch line. Ojo say de ekoso ne hu ye. Ope president di. Atasa. 2012 adia krede Japan atasa etna eye radio so kan wo Ghana enkranfo ene awonafo yan hye omunku omu okano on national radio eda ho wona komem ohun kranfo na awonafo na koma ebo because onya omu a per his statement atasa Kennedy we mu no mo president edi no ubaya to 2014 of Fred, the leadership of the NPP, so mu yankwasiafo. The any enquiry na otaka say NPP omwe Jimmy. NPP Jimmy.
MPP. If you answer the MPP for need capital. MPP now come. Read my lips. MPP. If you answer, omu need capital. MPP for book to stay in opposition forever. Nkwasiafo pa ma Jimmy MPP for Jimmy. Me who be dead. Stupid people. I don't know why I belong to that political party. Nkwasiafo pa ma Jimmy MPP for Jimmy.
Inti atasa Kennedy. Alternative so ka say pathway. Omu ye Jimmy for. On tia simple so join the pathway. So omu ye Jimmy for. Omu ye nkwasiafo. Omu ye Jimmy. He does not even understand why he's part of this party. And also pathway. Emma the president in the. Oni akwa na okwo ma mikrum kofa akoraba no ene brand champion ananta no almost ankofo mi say brand champion ananta Bawumia kofa akoraba efini krum ena atasa so te ya ekasa party na Jimmy yentam Ghana nhyemonsa mo boda wo hu atasa 2016 ye jujam se ne be ya ye behu the kind of people are this MPP wants to parade. Atasa in 2016 atasa dey aso no kan o say Charlotte Osei traded sex for her position as chair of the EC. Asemo bi na no ekato Charlotte Osei so. Satan no person mu yi Charlotte Osei. Kennedy ne die nim esei obi yire. And the ono ode osono na hyedem eno akofa janka bi di na chi se ne yire foforo. 2016 Kennedy sheda a cookie story to Charlotte Osei so say Charlotte Osei okobo jantra no de bedi EC boss. Na ende me no ka say osono na emani nya sika no osono na omani nya sika no ode osono na hyedem wakofa janka bi edi ne chi ejanka bi anan ba akwa chen ba akwa say ono na ne yire sa kwa we atasa we oguni penim ase hyeda boni trim ese nipa and ejanka di ne chi as of Somalia ni yem hanta say we de we ye chen osono no waka osono ma me hyedem. Yaba na bedu 2017 ye jujam ye wi Agyapong mo wi amankokom kwasiafo mo na mo de bra ye se enka nkire Ghana 2017 Nana Akufo-Addo didn't win the 2016 elections fairly. 2017 Kennedy Japan tena radio so tena TV so ka say Akufo-Addo election winning no na say enye ne kwan so no winning election no owie mu omo fa akuti kwan bi so no winning election no Obira no catch the Ghana for. And even in 2016-17, no, Akufo-Addo to Atasa no Kennedy no, Akufo-Addo wasn't a legitimate president to him because omo ye nyoma bebre and Akufo-Addo win elections, illegal stuff. Into I say now why not Ghana or ka Akufo-Addo win elections no clearly, fairly. He never won the elections fairly. Atasa de Bina no cancer asem no. It to him no, he never recognized Akufo-Addo as a legitimate president. Because of Juma Mudi and Sana Yaka for the winning 2016 elections. Kelatasa 2019 reveals the identity of Ahmed Swale and incited the public against him, which literally got him murdered. 2019, sorry. And Atasa Kennedy, Eddie Ahmed Swale picture betu TV so. And okay, I said, boy, we baby I'll be huni biano. Take care of him, his words. Boy, we This is Ahmed Swale. Baby abubehuni bia. Oben medwuma mu ha dia ne baby abubehuni bia. Endi na man bebo so mienu enan Ahmed Swale team eboni tuo. Body tuo ntirim panyan. And the Kennedy odi mokodi nchine ne mba nyina di mokodi nchine. Obia ne odi Kennedy ba betena TV so say wey unhu na abonu tuo ana unhu na yeri bibi obia nye bibi sa Kennedy ende onan wiase ma ne ye ne de. Odi obi ba betu TV so ka say wey or you stubborn or you bad boy. Uhun baby ya. So obami medwuma kura baby obehun bia na nipa bi efa kuti kwan so ye nim baby omu free. Sanka Kennedy amfa Ahmed Swale din enim ameto TV so a menye sure say anka obi nam kurumo obehu say Ahmed Swale ni ye boni trim pay oja nkwara ne oba wo ho and the Kennedy ni age oda ne yere so osre ne ma ekoba otumi begina TV so me come back graduation and so obi papa ni ma beto TV so e ma me no ka say onka atiasefo ho. This is Atasa Kennedy. Oba bedu 20 a year 19 described parliament as cheap and useless. Parliament na otimu bi no or say parliament no ejimi for a cheap and useless place. Now to parliament hobby. Atasapa. Today he wants you to give him power. Intend on kasa or say be there. Sa nyoma we nyina free mitrim. Wey. Yase kochu amansa tonsuoma. Ne won sinsane de ehwa ne wo le gi la tigre ele le soa le sang yese coach amansa otonsuoma ne won sinsane de wey o defe mo defelization oh woni se me de esia de Ghana no yenka ehumbom osobu mu se graw wona mo sa atasa ya atasampa bisi coach amansa de insom de obeto ne won sinsane de enko bebia na bre na kotu amansa so mu se graw mo de mo tam to mi ma no on sama maka no na mo nkranfo ene awonafo no oso mu a 2020 osadwa asemi to ho o say verbally abused a judge of the superior court. Kede de Japan na TV so oh me de say me obi a file ha o tena TV so ka kire judge or threaten judge hey la Kennedy Atasa Kennedy a threaten judge or tena TV so on one TV so a threaten judge can say whoa judge we o didi na tem e ma ne ko di dem Kennedy Japan yeah Atasa no o say and the president
the lawyer wrote the thing on the piece of paper and was appearance for 30. I didn't get anything. Now on the 1st of September, more than injunction, okay, you are stupid jet. I will face you. You are stupid jet. Who does you? You are stupid jet. Yes. 18 years that I've had the land. Wow. But we have some women. We have a from second year. We are stupid jet.
Wait. Hey, right. Nancy ni chenga krato na yo. Osba kwa kwasi aje wakapa jan. Wei. Nancy ni chenga krato na. Na sa chenga chemba pe kupa. Chen na na no. E ahobrase chen e kupa chen. Oyeta ebete. Atasa ne pie chart da ha no. Wei. Sa gwa wei. Kene Japan me amini pa. Me penasem na mama chen ne te. Se kene di Ghana. Ojina TV suka judge. Otuka kwa sia judge no pagya nsem o kan nkrani abua bi ono owo nipa bi otan omo na kuma mu dada o na mo brebre na kupa che na dan na tia say ya ba Ghana ya tam say kan ma Kennedy is the president hey me da say mo second home meti yanki do obeye mo Ghana ho no Atasa pie chart no now over 2021 mi obia record ho oba your system so obia chat obia or the file the folder yene you load be 30,000 gig yeah sibia ya twen kofo bi no la Ye load be 30,000 gig in a go. The fan chiremu ye de be chiremu. Amount for naked videos. Ye load. Share. Me tell them say, give me Bawumia and let me give Ghana your victory for 42 years. Give me Bawumia. I need Mahamudu. Me say, I need Mahamudu. And I'll give you independence for 42 years. Me echo. Mahamudu is who I need. Over 2021, he called for Erastus Asaredonko to be beaten. Alternative, so can say Erastus the chairman journalism, on a chairman how to write a story. Or Kennedy journalism, so way, journalist way. How Atasa? How Atasa? How? January 2021 or yes, I know. And there is more to talk about. And this is what Bawumia group also a release here. Now what is happening? They say Obi Afrani Nyonko press conference, balls to balls, and tohe to tohe. You see a mema yomo ye who be antohe. You heard your bema be responded to the Nyonko bema. It's exactly 7:22 p.m. My name is Kevin Ekobedi Telaba. Don't forget, the NPP is a tribal party. They are full of tribal bigots. Their inner monkey is growing. Their inner monkey is growing. They'll give it red. We will all see what will happen. We will sit back and watch. This political party, irrespective of who represents them, the party is a demonic party. I have been sent here to let you know the truth. I was sent and I came to show you the truth. My Bob Brady Champon Shua, my Bob Kennedy Shua, and I'm the Ayamamudu Shua Twaso. We are waiting for the man with the balls to come out and say with
Abushia video no na yako akohaba no. Na ensem yi beto monten so no. Ena Ghana for e kire o madwene e wo ho se MPP party no mu si mu ntuma agufi e wa abonten dodo. Because Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia camp to ensem emane honorable Ken. Afi honorable Ken so camp to ensem emane Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia camp. Sa ensem ya e kwaso nyina no. I was mu say other political parties no so ehwem wo mo monitor mo steps. Until after flag bearership race, onipa bia obenya bia kan hu say onsem a wo kan to dwafa wo nua ho no. Sa nsem na so no other parties so ebe you against you for the 2028 election. Abusuya wo so wadwen kire bia wo fa ensem a beto monti ho no. Message say wo de beto comment section ho amaye. And any da edikan a wo hwe edwumadi a. Ese say wo subscribe to your channel yi. No me abel no say de be ya de upload bia to mu a. One first person a wonsa ebetumi aka. Me dey na Asamoah. Ya besa ya shia.